Hey guys, good morning. So guys, I was just speaking about yesterday. So I checked the phone of my uncle. I checked the phone of my khalu, and each and everything I have been set at his phone and on his phone, and I after that I returned his phone. I returned his phone to him. I returned his phone, and after that I told him that I can't I can't lock your I can't lock the I can't lock your WhatsApp right now because I'm in the hurry. I have to go to my office, and actually my manager had been told me that you have to come here at 9 o'clock. So that's why today I got ready. I got ready very earlier. So let me go to my office and I'll check your phone in the evening. I'll check your phone in the evening because I don't have so much time. I have to get ready also, and I have to go to my office also. And so I can't do that right now. I can't do that right now. Okay. I'll do that. I'll do this later on. So after that he told me that okay, you can go to your office. You can go to your office and be there on time, okay? Because there's a medical camp, and medical camp is medical camp. You are working in a team. You are working in a team. So be respectful. Be respectful be respectful for the time. Be respectful for the time. Be respectful about time, okay? And be punctual and be attentive and be respectful to all. Yes. So after that I got ready. I put on my jeans and shirt. And after that I applied some powder also over my face and on my neck area. And after that I comb my hair also. And after that I took some money. I took some money. I took some money from the box where the money I took the money from the money box. And after that I took 30 rupees every day because if I go from if I go from Koldia, if I go from petrol pump to Garden View, then it charges me 10 rupees. Yes. I'm talking about the Toto fare. Yes. So the Toto charges me 10 rupees. Yes. I'm talking about each and every Toto driver. Yes. So it charges me 10 rupees each. Yes. So after that I took the money and I keep it into my pocket. And after that I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes, and I greeted my parents that I'm going. Assalamu alaikum. Aate. And after that I moved. I left my house, and and I went to the road. And I waited on the road for the Toto. But none of the Toto was coming. And after that one of the Toto came, and I asked him that where are you going? I have to reach this place. I have to go to this place. So could you please drop me? Then he told me, of course, sit. Of course, sit. Then I sat on his Toto. And after that I sat on his Toto. And after that I and the Toto started moving, and the Toto started running from there. And and he directly he directly he directly took me he directly took me he directly took me to the Pada Chowk. And actually there was a passenger on his Toto. On his There was a passenger on his Toto, and he had to go to the railway station. He had to go to the railway station because he had to catch the train. He had to catch the train, and because of catching train, and because of catching train, I have to go. I have to go there. I have to go there with him too. I have to go there with him too. And when the Bada Chowk came, then I told him that I can't go to the railway station because if I go there, then I'll be much late. Then I'll be much late. So go yourself. I don't want to go there. And 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 stop here. I don't want to go. I don't want to go there. Then I then I took then I took the fare. Then I took his fare. Then I took his fare and I told him that stop here. I'm going. I will go away. I will go away myself. I will go away myself. And after that, and after that, I started I started going from there. I started going from there, means from Bada Chowk, and I I was walking fastly. I was walking fastly because I have to go to the library. I have to go to the library as fast as as quick as quick as fast. Yes, as quick. No, because I have to go to the library as fast as I can. Yes. So after that, I I walked very fastly. I walked very fastly, and finally, I went. I reached my library, and I saw that my manager was there. My manager was there, and one of the and one of and there is one more employee, and there was one more employee who were there, who was there, who was there already, who was there already. Yes. So I saw both of him. I saw both of him, and I shocked that these guys are before me. These guys are here before me. Oh my God! I got late. I got late, and I got late. I think 25 minutes. Yes. And he asked me that why did you get late? Then I told him that I got late because I I got late because of the Toto. The Toto driver made me late. Actually, there was a passenger at his Toto, and that passenger had to go to the railway station because he had to catch the train. Because he had to catch the train, and his train time is and his train time was 9 o'clock. Yes, I know he was. I know he could not. I don't know. He's when will the train when will the train when will his train come? When will his train come? I don't know. So after that, then he told my then my manager told me that don't make the excuses. Don't make the excuses. I know you are late. So accept now. So accept now. Why are you making so many excuses that because of the Toto I got late? If you if if you are telling me this, right? You are telling me this, right? So you could have got down from the you could have got down at the hero showroom also. You could have got down at the you could have get down at the hero showroom also, but you didn't. Why? What's wrong with you? And he told me that and he told me more, that you could have you could have you could have get down you could have got down at the you could have got down at the sabji mandi also. Yes. So from there also you could have come here, could have you from there also you could have come here. But I told him that no, I don't like that way. I don't like that way because the lane is so dirty. I don't like the dirty lanes. Yes. I prefer only road. Yes. I don't like the ways. I don't like the lanes. Yes. So he told me that okay, help me, and help me, whatever I'm doing, help me. Okay, whatever I'm doing, help me. Then I helped him. He told me that do this. You have to do these things. you have to do these things, you have to do these things. Okay, so I did whatever he told me. I did whatever he told me. And first of all, he told me that please take out the please take out the water please take out the water stand. Please take out the water stand, because I have to put my jar, because I have to keep my jar inside it. So take it outside. So take it outside. Okay, because I have to put my jar, I have to put my jars in on it, onto it. Okay, onto it. Okay, so so he no he and I case the then he told me that okay, let me help you, I will help you too. I will help you too. Let's take the water stand out. Let's take the water stand outside. So he then I went to the go down. I went to the go down, and over there it was, the water stand was inside of the room, and the door was locked. Then he unlocked that gate. He unlocked the door, and we both guys we both guys took the water stand outside by catching, yes, by holding, yes, by holding, yes. So he told me that don't be in a hurry. Okay, because you will maybe it will hit you and it will harm you. Okay, so be careful. Okay, while catching, while moving this from here to there. Okay, so I was mindful, and I was careful, and I was mindful, and I finally took out his stand. His stand. I finally took out his stand. I keep the water stand outside. And I kept the water stand outside. And after that, and after that, and after that, I and after that he told me that put all no, bring all the jars over here. Bring all the jars over here, and I'm and I'm keeping keeping the jars one by one onto it inside it. Okay, so bring all the jars over here, and I'm trying to keep the jars one by one. I'm trying to keep the jars over one by one over here, over here. Okay, over here. Okay, onto this. So after that, I brought all the jars. Near to the water stand, and I kept all the jars over there. Then he said, all the jars over there. Then he said all the jars over there. Then he set all the jars over there inside the water stand. And after that, he told me that mm, you have to what is that called? Camp. Yeah, you have to make a camp here. You have to make a camp here. Okay, and camp the camp is it it is generally, no, it is used to be, it used to be in a different piece of metals. It used to be different no different piece of metals, like it is just like a pipe. So it connects with each other. And and it and if you connect the pipe from each side, then it will become like a cube. Yes. And after making the cube, after making the cube, After preparing the cube, now you have to now you have to now you have to cover now you have to cover it now you have to cover it. Okay, now you have to cover it by the help of what is that called? What is that called? That mm, that that camp cloth. Yes, camp cloth. You have to cover it by the camp cloth. So you just have to keep it you just have to keep it you just have to keep it onto the cube, and it will and it will it will be covered, and it will be covered from each side, and it will be covered from each side. But but if I talk about from this side, from the right side, and from the left side, and from the front side, then it will be opened, from trio side. It will be opened from trio side. But if I talk about the back side, then it will be covered, and it will be covered by the camp cloth. Okay, and after that we made it. And my manager told me that you have to bring two chairs. Now you have to bring two chairs over here, and you have to keep it, inside of the camp. And you have to bring a table also. You have to keep a table also inside the camp. Then i then i then i keep no then I brought chairs and tables, and I kept it inside of the and I kept it inside of and I put it inside of the camp. And after that, he told me that bring your laptop over here, because you have to see the registration, that what are the peoples who has been registered their name, what are the peoples who has been who are the peoples have been registered their name. You have to see on the laptop. You have to see on the laptop. Okay, on the laptop. And if the people will see you this paper, if the people will see you this if the people will show you this paper, then you have to then you then you will be satisfied that this person has been registered, that this person has been registered his name or her name. So now I'm step free. I need to be step free. Okay, you don't have to think of it. Very much. So guys, this is all about today. I will see you at the same time, at the same place, but tomorrow. So take care. Have a nice conversation.